welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cool yarn holder shelf. So I measured out a plywood piece of wood about 18 inches by 2 feet. You could go longer or shorter depending on how many spools of yarn you want. And then I cut out a 2x4 to the length of the plywood board, and then cut out a white mold board to also the length of the plywood, and I then cut 2 side boards with the same mold material, the length of the height of the plywood board, and then I measured out how many holes I wanted on the 2x4. I decided to measure in between the holes about 3.5 to 4 inches. Then I drilled an inch hole where I marked the different spots all the way through the 2x4. I placed the 2x4 at the base of the plywood, and then the two sideboards I screwed in to the 2x4 at the base, and then one screw at the top part into the plywood board. Then I placed the top mold next to the 2x4 and screwed that into the 2x4. And then it's done. So I can stick my yarn into this little shelf and then stick it through the hole, so I don't have to carry a huge thing around. I can just pull the string through the hole and use as much as I need, and then switch colors if I want. And yeah, hopefully this gives you an idea of how to store your yarn, and thanks for watching.